Hello students, I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. Today for our Grammar Monday activity, we're going to be looking at the differences between to, to, too, and two. People often confuse the words to, and to, but they all have different meanings and are different parts of speech. To is a preposition that is used to show location, distance, or motion. To is a number that follows one. And to is an adverb that means also, more, or very. To is a preposition. A preposition is a small word that connects nouns or phrases to other words in a sentence. They help to show a relationship between words. To is a tiny word, but it does have many uses. It can show movement or direction, example, he went to school. It can also mean toward, as in the dog came to me. It can also show a limit, such as stop when you get to 500 words. To can also mean on or upon. For instance, I applied lip gloss to my lips. To is an adverb that we use in many different ways. To can replace the word also. This can work at the end of the sentence, as in I am a Gemini too. It can also follow a word or a noun or pronoun. She too can sing. We can also use to express when something is excessive. We can say I am too full for dessert, or he is too close to the edge. Similarly, to can mean very, as in I am just too excited. To is pronounced exactly the same way as to and two, but the meaning is much simpler. It's a number. Two means two. 1, 2. You will also use to when writing out compound numbers. For example, 22, 206, 1212. In the standard form, it looks like the numbers 22, 206, and 1212. Alright, so for today's Grammar Monday activity, you're going to be doing the to Google form. It is 10 points here. Let's go ahead and do one together. Let's do the office is open from 8:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. The to that we're looking for here is to. Alright, so get this this Grammar Monday activity done today, and email me if you have any questions, and I hope you have a wonderful day.